What text editors do you need for HTML? Now you know what HTML means and you know what it stands for. You also want to know where to get started. So here are my 3 options for writing your HTML code. Number 1, Notepad. Number 2, VS Code. And number 3, Sublime Text. My personal favorite is VS Code. All these 3 are easy to use and you can pick depending on the UI styles that you like and the functionality. Usually Notepad is quite small and simple, it works in everything and it is free to use. And most of them are easily free to use. But the Notepad doesn't give you all the features and the plugins that are necessary for it to run further web development. But when you consider VS Code and Sublime Text, they are little bigger files and it's little tough to use them because there is so much complexity and they give you better prompts inside. There are better live server features inside and you can use it for the further web development for JavaScript or CSS. It's quite simple. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe.